Let's get it! Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this in one take. What up, y'all? It's your boy DJ, aka Mr. Just Let It Happen. And I just like to welcome y'all to my YouTube channel. I wanted to start by making my first video something simple, something y'all can get, used to before y'all start seeing the crazy stuff I'm gonna be doing. But I got this box right here from ThreadBeast, right? So today I decided to do an unboxing from y'all. Now I've been getting these ThreadBeast boxes for almost probably a year now. I had canceled my membership, but they told me to do a renew and I get a free pair of shoes within this box. So I'm real excited about this box right here. As you can see, the box comes nicely packaged. A couple things on here, must-haves just for you. You get a free package for every friend you refer. So make sure y'all sign up. I'm gonna send a link. I'm gonna put it right below. Okay, there it is. Right below. You guys can click the link, and then y'all can be just like me and get fresh. Now, I got a couple things from ThreadBeast. Sometimes they send me some heat. A couple dad hats. That fits my style. Nice little Yeezy shirt. Yeah, it's fresh. Everybody know me, they know I love hoodies. So it's a nice Diamond Supply hoodie. But then I've also got some trash. Like, what I'm gonna do with this? It's like a Thriller shirt. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. And then they sent me this Freddy Krueger style shirt. I don't know, I might can make it work one day, but this ain't me. I don't. If y'all want it, y'all just hit me in my inbox. I'll send it to y'all. But basically what ThreadBeast is a company. They supply you with the clothes. You get a personal stylist. My personal stylist is Courtney. They always keep you updated. They even call me on the phone and be like, hey, I ain't got this, but I got this. You mind if I put this in your package? So I really appreciate stuff like that. But I know it's hard shopping for a big, hefty guy like me, but she do it just fine. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and get to the unboxing. I'm a little excited about this box. I ain't going to tell them what's in there. Every time you get it, it's just like Christmas Day. You're getting the brand new package. And for some people that don't get gifts a lot, it might be clutch. So I'm going to go ahead and slit it open right here. Also, this is my first unboxing. They always place cards in here saying, if you do a video or something like that, they'll send you a free package. So don't forget about my free package after I do this video. Y'all make sure y'all lace me up, Court. Alright. Now this is a bigger box than what I'm used to. I normally get the 8. They got different specials. They got like a $55 package, a $85 package, and I think now they got like a $250 package, but I ain't with all that. But I normally get the $85 package. Like I said, they sent me a couple additional items because I had just resupplied. Oh man, this look a little interesting too. There's some stuff in here I ain't used to getting. Normally when they run out of ideas to give me, they'll send me a bunch of socks. So good thing it ain't no socks this time. But like I said, they got hits and misses. Right here, nice little plaid shirt, green, monotone. I don't know, I think I can do something with it. They also ask for like your social media account so they can see your style and stuff like what you wear. I ain't gonna say I wouldn't wear this. I'd probably try to put it on, but it's not the best item they could have sent. Okay, I got some PSD boxes. It's the first time they ever got me some boxes, alright. These look real fresh, man. I think I priced some of these out. Man, they expensive as hell, so I ain't never bought none. But appreciate ThreadBeast for setting me out. They got the right size, 2X. Alright. Okay. Oh, they cutting up in this box, y'all. They is really cutting up. Alright, they gave me some Born Fly jeans. As you can see, got the eagle on the pocket. Nice acid wash fade. Okay, I can rock these. I can see myself in these. I can make them work. Ripped up. And like I say, they always typically send the right size. But if you have any sizing issues, all you have to do is shoot them an email. They'll put something different in your next package. Okay, what else we got here? Man, they put a lot of stuff in this box, man. They wanted to make sure I was right. Like I said, the shoes, right? Didn't get shoes, but they sent me some slides. If y'all know me, I really don't rock slides. I got a couple pair, but these is fresh, man. I gotta admit, I ain't seen these nowhere. There's some Puma slides. Say Puma, Chantel Martin. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see this up close. One say left, one say right. I'll put it together like I would wear. Black and white style. And these hot. These hot right here. Okay, like I said, they send you all kinds of stuff. Oh man. Backpack. Anybody know me, they know I love a good backpack. So all kinds of stuff you can put in backpack. Patron, Bacardi, tequila, all kinds of stuff, man. Oh yeah. Shout out to that 1738 that might go over here next weekend. Okay. That's a pretty fresh shirt. I'm gonna have to clean up after this. All this paper falling on the floor. But it's an Asphalt Yacht Club shirt. They send me a lot of Asphalt stuff. I actually wear Asphalt. I think it's a pretty good brand. I like the style on this shirt, but it look a little young. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a little young. I don't know. I think it's right. I think it's right. We'll see when I put it on. If I'm buzzing up out it, y'all know. Alright, like I said, they always send me a card. With this card, just say ThreadBeast Weekly. Got a nice little outfit on it. On the back of it, it say free package giveaway. Rules: follow ThreadBeast on Instagram. Post a photo of your package on your Instagram. Tag it ThreadBeast. Hashtag ThreadBeast. And ThreadBeast Weekly, and get creative. Alright. I'll see. And last but not least, the last item in the bag. It's a Huff. Oh man. It is wide as hell. It's fresh though. It's a Huff shirt. Check out the back, y'all. That's fresh. That's fresh. They made sure to sent this in a 1X though. Man. That's it, guys. Like I said, if you like this video, subscribe to my page, follow me on Instagram at JusLetItHappen, JusLetItHappen, so y'all can see more stuff on my page. All right, peace out. Oh yeah, I also want to let y'all know they don't send just clothes; they be sending all kind of stuff. Shout out to them for these spectacles. If y'all know what spectacles are, you use them on Snapchat. You can record live video, and the quality is just excellent. So y'all might see me snapping it up with these next weekend, making a couple videos. I might share some of that stuff to my page. But like I said, man, make sure y'all sign up for ThreadBeast. Any sign up you do, you get a $50 actual bonus towards your box. I'm gonna send a link. Also, it'll be a code with the link. I'll include that. Just look in the info on the video, and like and subscribe, y'all. Peace.